Here at Audi Beaverton, we want the experience of buying your new Audi to be as efficient as possible. To do this, we have a simple new digital process. First, visit AudiBeaverton.com. Browse our live inventory online and select your favorite Audi. Now, select your preferred purchase type, lease, finance, or cash, and modify the terms. You can even estimate the value of your trade-in. We also have options for completing your entire purchase remotely. Once you're happy with all of your selected terms, reserve your Audi and schedule your test drive. You'll receive a call from us shortly. You've saved yourself time by beginning your purchase before you visit us in the store. When you arrive for your scheduled appointment, we'll have your selected vehicle ready for your test drive. Upon return, we'll only need a few signatures and you'll be finished. It's time for you to enjoy your new Audi. If you have any questions about our new streamlined process, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at Audi Beaverton.